In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your MetaTrader5 account. If you're trying to log in and access to your MetaTrader5 account, you can do so by opening up a web browser. Go to the search box as soon as you do that and type in www.mql5.com and press enter. Soon after you end up in this page, click on the login link at the top right hand corner. In the sign in page, you'll need to type in your login or your email ID followed by a password. If you don't have an account yet, click the register link and follow through the registration process. Let me start off by typing in my email in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you've forgotten your password or your user ID, you can click on this forgot your login/password link and follow through the prompt. After filling in all of your details, click the login button, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your MetaTrader5 account. And there you have it. You've been logged into your account. This is how it looks like. That is how you can easily log into your MetaTrader5 account on a computer. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you've not yet by clicking the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.